We designed the Air Cordless lift to be both powerful and incredibly convenient. Wind Tunnel 3 technology gives you great performance for cleaning all your floors. And the lift-off canister makes it easy to clean furniture, stairs, and other above-floor surfaces. For tougher messes, press the boost button to clean with extra suction power. The Air Cordless lift gives you fade-free, cordless convenience with a long-lasting lithium life battery. Other features like steerable technology, LED headlights, and the 2-in-1 tool make whole home cleaning even more versatile. And we protected your purchase with a 5-year limited warranty that covers not only the vacuum, but also the battery that powers it. The Hoover Air Cordless Lift. Power and portability without the hassle of a cord. We